this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most of ChatGPT's multiple personalities. So if you're not happy with the tone and style of the responses that you get from ChatGPT following your prompts, there are a couple of things that you can do about this. So the first is custom instructions, which I covered in a previous video, but just going to show you briefly how you set that up. So you go to your profile picture on the top left here, go to Customize ChatGPT, and then in this section here, what traits should ChatGPT have? Then you can be really specific about how you want ChatGPT to respond. So for example, I've got clear, direct answers to my requests, step-by-step explanations, and so on. And I've also specified UK English as opposed to US English. There we go, just there. So did cover this in a previous video, so not going to spend any more time on that. But what I wanted to talk about in this video are ChatGPT's personalities. And yes, ChatGPT does have multiple personalities. In fact, it has 4. So we have cynic, we have robot, we have listener, and we have nerd. So let's see how these very different personalities work in practice. So just going to put in this prompt here, demonstrate your 4 personalities by answering the following question. Why does tech always seem to fail during important meetings, training sessions? Yes, it inevitably does fail when I'm doing live demos quite often, or launches. So just going to fire that off, and then we will get an answer in each of ChatGPT's personalities. So here it comes through now. So we've got a cynical answer. So you can see this by this sentence here. Think of it as the universe's way of reminding you not to get too smug, very cynical. Then the robotic response is very logical. So we've got important events add complexity, increasing the likelihood of technical faults. The listening approach, more empathetic. So you can see we've got a question here. It feels like the tech knows when the stakes are high, doesn't it? And it's kind of like listening to you, talking about stress at the moment, etc. And then the nerdy response kind of goes into quite a bit of detail. So nerdy detail, if you like. So talking about psychology, Murphy's Law, and so on. So very different style of responses here that you can choose from. So if you just want ChatGPT to focus on one of these type of answers, this style, at any particular time, then you can just specify your personality of choice, or like I've done with this prompt, your personalities of choice. So there we go, ChatGPT, how to use its multiple personalities.